Number 10, solve for n. So we're going to distribute through. I get negative 4n. Negative 4 times the 1 is minus 4, less than negative 12. Now move the number over. Add 4 to both sides. Negative 4n less than, what does this give us? Negative 8. We now divide by negative 4. Divide by negative 4. What happens to inequality? Must flip when you divide by a negative. And that gives us 2. So n is greater than 2. And if you need, you can go back and look at the video of why we flip the inequality if you're curious. Number 11, what is the slope? Slope. Well, normally it's rise over run. But I don't have a graph picture, so I can't really see that. Well, we know the rise is the change in the y values, because here was a height, here was a height. We subtract them, it'll tell us the total distance we moved. And this will be the change in x's as we move over. So we know the slope, rise with the y's, run to the exits. So we're subtracting the y's over subtracting the x's. I got 10 and 2 to start with. I could do 2 minus 10, or I'm going to go ahead and do 10 minus the 2. I'm going to subtract in that direction. Since I decided to subtract in that direction, I must start with the negative 5. Since I start with the 10, I must start with the negative 5 when I start the subtracting in the bottom. So it's negative 5 minus a negative 3. What is minus an 8 going to change to? Nice little plus. So we have 8 on top, negative 2 in the bottom now, and we get an answer of a slope of negative 4. So I do know that was going up 4 over 1, up 4 over 1. The negative tells me it was going up to the left. Number 12, what is the slope of the line represented by 6x plus 3y equals 15? I even give you the hint. Get the equation in slope-intercept form. In other words, get y by itself. So let's move the 6x over. So we're going to move 6x over. That gives me 3y equals negative 6x plus a 15. Now, I have 3y, but I need a single y. So I'm just going to divide by 3. And since I divided the left side of the equal sign by 3, I must do that to each piece on the right. We get the equation y equals negative 2x plus 5. It wants the slope. The number in front of x is a slope. So our answer here is, hey, the slope is negative 2.